Hi, I'm Jérémy Ledent, and I'm going to present our work on Simplicial models for epistemic logic with agents that may die. So first, what is epistemic logic? It is the modal logic of knowledge, where we fix a finite set of agents and we can write formulas expressing what the agents know about each other and about the world. For example, here, A knows that B doesn't know that the formula phi is true. This is useful, for example, in distributed computing, where the agents represent the processes, and we can write formulas expressing what these processes learn about the world as they communicate. The usual semantics for epistemic logic is based on Kripke models, which are graphs. But in recent work, we introduced a new kind of models called pure simplicial models with a geometric flavor. For example, consider that we have a deck of 4 cards, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace, and 3 agents, ABC. We give 1 card to each agent. One possible situation is represented by this triangle, where the colors represent the agents and the values inside the vertices represent the cards. Here is another possible situation, and as you can see, there is one vertex which is shared between these 2 worlds. This represents the fact that from the point of view of agent C, with the king card here, these 2 worlds are indistinguishable. And if we put all the possible situations together in this way, what we get in the end is a triangulated torus, where the small triangles represent the possible worlds, and the topology represents the knowledge of the agents about the system. This previous paper was focused on pure simplicial models, where all worlds must have the same dimension. What we do in this paper is we look at what happens if we lift this restriction. So we can have worlds with 3 agents, but other worlds with only 2 agents, or maybe only 1 agent. And this is useful in distributed computing, where we might want to consider situations where processes can crash during the execution. We studied the axiomatics of this new class of models, which is based on the logic KB4. In this logic, we can write formulas that express whether an agent is dead or alive, and we can prove some interesting facts about those. This is not the end of the story, however. We have 2 extra axioms, the axiom of non-emptiness and the axiom of single agents, which are true in all simplicial models, but not provable in KB4. With those axioms, we get a sound and complete logic with respect to the class of simplicial models. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at the conference.